Welcome to the entertainment news on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Osehise Agbon. The 63rd Independence Anniversary of Nigeria was celebrated all over Nigeria with pomp and pageantry. Command Guest House along Muhammad Buhari Way, formerly known as WAF Road, in the heart of Kaduna as part of the celebration, organized a fun fair variety show tagged Comedy Blasts, featuring comedy, dancing competition, choreography, raffle draws, and lots more. According to the management of Command Guest House, the celebration is dedicated to the good people of Kaduna Metropolis who have cultivated the attitude of peaceful coexistence despite differences in religion and tribe. And that was the comedy blast at Command Guest House. I am Osehise Agbon. Thank you for watching and keep shining like the star you are.